In the majestic highlands of the world, where mountain peaks rise above the clouds, brave farmers stand against endless challenges and discoveries. They rear thousands of yak cows, which are not merely livestock, but carriers of a profound cultural journey. Let us venture into the villages surrounding the Himalayas, where farmers breed thousands of yak cows. Determining the exact number of yak cows bred each year is difficult, as it depends on factors like geographical region, weather conditions, farm size, and market demand. However, in Tibet, India, and Nepal, where yaks are most commonly bred, there are some large farms capable of raising thousands of yaks. Yaks originate from the Himalayan mountains, where high altitudes and harsh climatic conditions have produced a robust and highly resilient breed. With their thick fur, curved horns, and flexible bodies, yaks have become a symbol of strength and survival in challenging environments. Tibetan farmers not only possess expertise, but also represent a tradition that spans many centuries. These yaks graze freely in the mountains during the summer months. Upon returning in the spring, they plow fields and plant crops like beans before heading back to the mountains to graze. Until winter sets in, an incredible journey unfolds from here. Villagers ride horses to find and bring back the yaks. Yak cows roam freely across the valley, so farmers must traverse many mountains to locate them. As night falls, people gather round the fire to keep warm, continuing their journey at the break of dawn. Experienced farmers often find yak cows in small groups, searching until they locate the last one and bring them all back to the village. In December, in villages like Shai Deep in the Zanskar region of the Himalayas, as temperatures drop and rivers begin to freeze, people start gathering wood from the surrounding forests. This is also the time when yak cows develop their strength, capable of carrying large quantities of wood on their backs and navigating rough hills and mountains to return to the village. This annual event is crucial for the survival of the villagers during the winter months, and staying warm is essential. In addition to plowing fields in the spring, yak cows also serve as a mode of transportation for Tibetans, naturally harnessing their abilities. Despite their utility, yak cows also play a vital role in energy provision, producing dry dung, an excellent fuel source. Unlike lowland animal husbandry in Tibet, farmers in their homes face unique challenges. Cold climates and long winters increase pressure on natural food sources. Farmers must master the art of protecting yak herds from harsh weather conditions. However, these challenges do not diminish farmers' passion and patience. They understand that preserving the lives of yak cows is not just a profession, but also a duty. Furthermore, they protect and nurture a path of cultural heritage high in the mountains of Nepal. Farmers graze herds of yak cows, creating delicious dishes from the highland grasslands, which are a vital source of nutrition for yak cows. Farmers often take special care of female yak cows to strengthen the herd and preserve genetic diversity. Yak milk is used to make butter and a famous aromatic butter tea, helping them endure the cold in the high mountains. Spoiled butter is used to make candles for lighting. Additionally, yak fur is used by farmers to make shoes and warm coats. However, today, yaks are mainly bred to provide meat on a daily basis. As dawn creeps over the majestic Himalayan mountains, yak herds begin their new day. Behind the beautiful scenery lies the sacrifice and perseverance of farmers in their daily lives. In addition to grazing, farmers also milk yaks to supplement their already scarce food sources. As they only eat meat on important occasions, this simple meal helps them gather new energy. For a long day in the pasture, farmers only stand from afar, watching yak cows graze and drink. It sounds simple, but in reality, it is the most labor-intensive work. Grasslands near their homes will eventually dry up, forcing them to search for new areas, extending their journey until the grass round the village regrows. In Nepal, we venture into the mysterious land of India. Yak cows are not just animals, but symbols of vitality and love between humans and the majestic nature. It has health benefits, as it is low in fat, high in protein, and contains many important amino acids. Unique dishes are often prepared using yak beef in local restaurants and grocery stores, creating unique and attractive dishes directly in the village under the huge mountains. Farmers are still there, working diligently with their yak herds, creating a special beauty for the high mountains. Hello, my friends. On the vast stage where sheep herds and millions of goats move along the trails of nomadic shepherds, this is an extremely majestic and impressive scene that demonstrates the connection between humans and nature. In today's video, we'll find out how they manage and care for a huge livestock herd, which sheep and goats are a part of.